Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 3rd, 2023. Here are some upcoming events. McTeacher Night is coming. On this Wednesday night, March 8th, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., PBM elementary teachers and staff will help serve meals at the Lantana McDonalds as a fundraiser. Please stop by for dinner with the entire family. Saturday, March 11th will be our next open house for students new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. on the secondary campus. This is a great time for our fifth graders to see our middle school and for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary school. Please tell any friends or family that might be interested. Thursday, March 16th, 6 o'clock p.m. is the 5th grade Spring Fling Dance. Admission is $10 and pre-sale tickets are available. Spring break is Friday, March 17th through March 26th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, my PBMA friends. This is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. The first couple are for my seniors. Shout out to all of the students and staff and everyone that helped participate in our parking space painting fundraiser. We really appreciate all of the support. It actually came out very nice. The spaces look amazing. A lot of creative things on these spaces. Thank you so much again for everyone that supported, contributed, and participated. Also, a special shout out to Mr. Christopher Feeney for the $100 donation towards this event. Thank you. We all appreciate it. The seniors really appreciate it. Thank you again, Mr. Christopher Feeney. Next announcement for my seniors. I am completing your Q3 graduation check this week. Parents, please be on the lookout for that graduation letter next week. Again, if I have highlighted the requirement, that means they still need to meet that graduation requirement. If I have a check mark by the requirement, that means they have already met it. So please, parents, be on the lookout for that letter. The next few announcements go to all of my high school friends. Thank you again for participating in all the community service opportunities. You know I'm going to say that every time. You need 20 hours to graduate. Please continue to check your messages for other community service opportunities. Also, check your messages for scholarship opportunities. Those are you who are starting to complete scholarship applications. I'm also sending those as well. Please let me know if you need any assistance with those. Last, dual enrollment. I sent out a message. Palm Beach State College is doing a dual enrollment open house in April. Please check that message out. If you are interested, let me know. I can help you get started with the process. They have a lot of helpful information going on in their open house in April. And that's all I have. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello, PBMA family. It's Sandra Pont here. I know it's been a minute, but I'm here. It's been kind of busy, so I'm here to tell you a little bit about what's going on. But before I get there, I'm going to fill you in on what time of year it is. It's that time of year where the students are tired, the teachers are tired, parents and legal guardians are tired. Spring break is near, but not here yet, so hang in there. There's a lot going on. We just have to pack some patience, be patient, and be gentle with each other until we get to the end. Get some rest over spring break, and then come back to finish strong. A little bit about what's been going on. Yesterday, we had SAT day. We decided that those students needed to be in an environment that they weren't constantly disrupted by bells every 50 minutes or immature, bored kids banging on doors in the hallway or something. So we rented the Finland House right down the street, and our juniors and about 10 seniors, about 50 students in total, had a field trip. It's so close, we walked down the street. They were there from about 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. They were in an awesome testing environment. We brought them lunch. Fear not, there's another SAT day planned. I believe it's April 12th. I just spoke to the Finland House, and we have that secured. So students, you know what to do the night before those days. Get a lot of rest, eat well, and do your best on the test. Yesterday was so busy. Last night we hosted our second Lantana Town debate. The cafeteria was filled with about 50 local residents and 4 candidates. It was a wonderful event. So, you see, there's a lot going on. So just remember, the end is near, but not here yet. We still have work to do, so let's finish the school year strong. Be patient, be gentle, and just do your best.
Last week, the secondary school visited Marine Lab in Key Largo. Let's hear all about it.
Hey guys, Andrew Pont here again. Mrs. Cooper asked me if I that went on this year's Marine Lab field trip. It's our overnight field trip. It's one of the best ones that we have. I know that personally because a couple years before the pandemic, I chaperoned it. I actually snorkeled for the first time in my life. So here we go with a few of the students and their thoughts on their trip. So I know that we have a lot of students that have been before and continue to go every year. Are you going to be one of those students?
Of course. It's really fun.
All right, very good. Thank you so much. Next student is, who do we have here?
Marley Swift.
Marley, what was your favorite part about the Marine Lab field trip?
Probably seeing all the marine life in the waters.
Seeing all the marine life and the waters. Anything else you can think of?
Definitely hanging out in the apartments.
Hanging out in the pavilion and the apartment areas. That was a fun time too. Staying up a little later, playing games and chatting. All right, are you going to be one of those repeat offenders going again?
Most likely.
Most likely. Very good. Thank you so much. And who do we have the pleasure of speaking with now?
Jaden.
Jaden, what was your favorite part about the Marine Lab field trip?
Snorkeling and getting to do the netting for the fish at the island.
Very nice. Snorkeling seems to be the popular thing these days. You are a repeated offender. You've been before. I know that.
For 4 years.
And what grade are you in this year? Do you plan to go your senior year?
Yes.
Very good, Jaden. Thank you so much. All right. Who do we have here now?
Leslie?
Leslie? Leslie, what's your favorite part about the Marine Lab field trip?
Snorkeling and looking at all the fish.
Snorkeling and looking at all the fish. Well, there are a certain lot of sights to see under that water, right?
Yeah.
Was this your first time?
No, I went last year.
You went last year, so you're a repeated offender too. Do you plan to continue going?
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so too. Thank you. And we have one more for you. Who do we have here?
Andrew.
Andrew, what was your favorite part about the Marine Lab field trip?
Snorkeling and riding the boats.
Snorkeling and the boat ride. I too enjoyed that boat ride. Was this your first time?
Yeah.
Do you plan to go again?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's all we have for you. Consider sending yours on that field trip to Marine Lab because it is one for the memory books.
4th grade visited McArthur Park in North Palm Beach. The kids enjoyed seeing the different habitats in McArthur Park. The students also took notes and analyzed data of the 3 ecosystems using different tools. The students trekked through nature all the way to the beach. PBMA participated in the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival last weekend. Let's take a look at all the gorgeous chalk art. Our 5th graders visited the secondary campus. Students participated in art, science, and PE activities. They also learned about middle school expectations. Classes who have earned 50 green sharks during lunch were able to help Ms. Dvorak with the morning announcements. Here are last week's star students who demonstrated humility. And finally, here are our Sharks of the Month celebrating their achievements by enjoying popcorn with the principal and Sharky. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.